Hello, this is Danny from Danz English, and today we're going to learn about how to make a talking frog from a piece of paper. But before that, don't forget to click like, subscribe, put your comment down below, and share this video to your friends, families, and anywhere. Okay, so are you ready? Let's check it out. So what you need is very simple, yeah? Number one, a piece of paper. Okay, and number two, a pair of scissors, okay? So what you have to do, we're going to make it into different steps, okay? Listen carefully, yeah? Alright. Step one, I'd like you to fold it this way. So make sure that it's going to make a smooth edge over here, okay? Right? And also this one, make sure it doesn't go like too far over there or over here. Make sure the edge is in line with the other edge, okay? Now you will see this line, right? You cut this part, okay? You can use a pair of scissors, or if you have a ruler and cutter, you can also use that, but I'll suggest you not to do it when you have a wooden table like this. Now, we're going to need this piece later, okay? But as for now, put it away, okay? Good. So you have a perfectly square piece of paper, like this, right? And you see this diagonal line. Okay, now I'd like you to make another diagonal line like this. Okay, so what you have to do is you put this corner to that corner, yeah? Alright, so let's do it. And then when you open again, see? You have perfectly two diagonal lines with a dot, yeah, what do you call it? A center, yeah, over here. And then you fold the other, what is it? 1, 2, 3, and 4 towards this center, okay? Good. Now you have a perfectly square, smaller piece of paper, okay? Now, what you have to do, you can flip it, okay? So, like this, flip it like this. Okay, like this, yeah? Right? Again, you have a center over here. What you have to do, again, you follow the previous step, yeah? Okay, good. From here, you open it. Okay, flip it. And I'd like you to fold this side to this one. Remember, this one looks like a petal that you can see, like a pocket. You take this to the center again. Okay, now this is, I don't know, maybe step 4, yeah? Okay, now flip it and see what happens. Now here is your frog, yeah, almost done. Okay, now we're going to make 2 eyes, yeah? You see this part, okay? Use your finger to open it like this, to push it gently, okay? Now, you see this? Okay, only one part is open. You should open this part too. Okay, see? Do it slowly. Make sure you follow each step and you'll be fine, okay? You also do the same thing to this eye, yeah? Let's say this is left eye. Oops, okay. So this one doesn't want to open, so you open manually, yeah? Use your hand over here, okay, and your hand over here to open this part. Okay. Alright, so here it is. You have 2 eyes, okay? When you when you flip it, now you already have a mouth, okay, and maybe a nose, 2 eyes, and this is it looks like a tongue. Now, okay, good, right? So this is your frog, yeah? Sorry. And let's say we open it for the sake of the mouth later. Okay, so this is a frog, but it's not done because we need something else called the stick. Yeah, you remember the piece of paper that we cut earlier? Okay, put away the scissors for a while. Okay, let's fold this like this one. Yeah, let's make it small, long and small, but hard, like this. Because we fold it once. Okay, and then fold it again. So we fold it twice. Okay, now we're done. Good. Now this is what we call the talking stick here. Now we're going to insert this stick to this frog, yeah, especially into the mouth. How do you do that? It's pretty easy. Okay, open the mouth. Okay, up. Okay, you can hold it up like this, and also open the tongue up. Okay, and you see that there is like a kind of pocket, yeah, here. Now you insert this stick to this one, yeah. This is how you do it. Insert until you reach the top of the, what is it, to this one, yeah. Okay, if you think you reach the top, you cannot push it any further. You fold it down, yeah, like this. You fold it all. So imagine this stick is now, the shape is like this, yeah. So after you insert it, because you fold it, now the shape is like this. You want to see how it talks? Open the mouth, not the tongue, yeah. Okay. So we're going to make the top part of the mouth and the tongue talk, yeah. Okay, see, you pull it a little, just give a little nudge. Okay, hello, my name is Danny from Danz English, and now we're making a talking frog from a piece of paper. Okay, now the last step is to decorate your talking frog, yeah. You can put any color, any decoration. Alright, but you know, this one, I think this part doesn't really look nice, so I think I'm going to open it. So this is what you're gonna do. Okay, put on a coat frog because it's cold outside. Okay, Mr. Danny, I'll do it. Now let's decorate the frog. Okay, nice. Now you can draw the eyes, or maybe the nose first. Just put 2 nostrils over here. Then yeah, you can draw, I don't know, like let's say buttons. Alright, so here it is, a talking frog. Make sure you add some colors, because that's gonna make your frog even better. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you. Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you next time and see you later. Bye bye. See you.